Hello friends, welcome back to Devinki Fitness. Detoxifying our bodies is essential to feeling fresh and staying healthy. Today, we'll learn how to naturally detox our bodies using simple and effective methods. 1. Hydration. The easiest and most effective way to detox your body is by staying hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Water helps flush out toxins from your body, keeping you refreshed and energized. 2. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which help cleanse your body from within. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can aid in detoxification and improve your overall health. 3. Lemon water. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Lemon helps in balancing the pH levels in your body and supports the liver in flushing out toxins. It's a simple yet powerful way to kickstart your metabolism. 4. Healthy diet. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Foods like broccoli, spinach, carrots, apples, and berries are excellent for detoxification. They are high in fiber and essential nutrients that help cleanse your digestive system. 5. Exercise. Regular physical activity promotes sweating, which helps remove toxins through your skin. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise daily, whether it's jogging, yoga, or a simple home workout routine. 6. Get enough sleep. Proper sleep is crucial for your body's natural detox processes. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. 7. Avoid processed foods. Cut down on processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine. These can introduce toxins into your body and hinder the detoxification process. Detoxing your body naturally doesn't require extreme measures. By following these simple steps, you can help your body eliminate toxins and stay healthy. Remember, consistency is key. Stay hydrated, eat well, and keep moving for a healthier, toxin-free life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Devinki Fitness for more health and wellness advice. Stay fit, stay healthy,